is my, oh, look at the grasshopper, brother.
What?
Oh, get back here, you speechless.
Oh, wait! Oh,
Real X Games.
What if you stand out there with the umbrella?
Fucking pointless.
All right.
Welcome to Street Race Solutions.
Welcome back to...
No, welcome back.
This week's episode, this video, the video that you've just currently clicked on.
This week's episode
This week.
on the workshop tour, working workshop
We saw
tour.
and went.
We saw wonderful workshop walk-ins.
No, what? Welcome to this week's workshop tour.
Welcome.
We've got a couple new cars in at the moment.
Yeah, couple.
Been doing a bit, been looking busy, doing a bit.
Busy.
Get my tires. Spin this around so you don't have the Velcro.
Where'd you get that from?
Garrett.
True.
Yeah. Carbon fibre shaft.
That's flash.
Nerdy. Sorry.
You're right. It's not really a dual umbrella, is it?
No, it is. Oh. There's plenty of space.
Oh, should we kiss?
Yeah.
Hello.
Let's start with the...
All right, yeah. So what we got in here today, well, this week, right, is a customer's Evo, very pretty blue Evo with all the fruity goods on it.
So this Evo here, 2.2 litre Nitto Stroker 4G63, makes around 700 horsepower, 680, 700.
At all fours.
Customer said was the dyno pool variance numbers there. So around 700 horsepower, all-wheel drive, very cool car, very tidy, paint's immaculate, interior's very nice, got a really cool steering wheel on it.
Carbon steering wheel.
Cannons on the front bumper, front lip, Plasma Man intercooler on the front. That's a Pro Series cooler.
We've got T37s down here with the big Brembo brake upgrade.
Yeah. So brought his Evo in for just a little bit of fabrication work and then some powder coating basically. So he already had a catch can that had been made up. Basically all we had to do was mount that up. We're going to make some new catch can lines for that to the covers. New intercooler pipe. A new blow-off valve, so it's getting a Turbosmart Raceport blow-off valve put on it, and then everything's getting powder coated. So the exhaust manifold's off. Everything's off at the powder coaters at the moment. So the exhaust manifold's getting Cerakoted, rear housing of the turbo is getting Cerakoted, the front housing of the turbo is getting powder coated, the intercooler pipe's getting powder coated, and the catch can and overflow bottle are getting powder coated. This engine bay is going to be nice and sort of blacked out with the blue accents of everything else, obviously. So it's going to look really nice.
It's really going to pop with the blue.
Really going to pop, yeah. Pop. Really cool. Super keen to work on it and get it all back together because, yeah, sick car. I love it. I love Evos.
It's got all the goodies, all the carbon goodies on it. Got the canards, got the shark fin. These are great white. Great white? Or,
yeah.
Yeah. Carbon wing, beautiful.
Car's looked after by Gloff Works. And over here, Daniel's finished up the engine bay on it.
Give you a quick little squeeze.
Sing it in the rain.
Can't pop it, brother.
Can't you?
It's probably not attached.
Oh well.
Anyway.
Have you got some B-roll on there, Jules?
Good squeeze.
It just popped.
It just popped.
It's really cool. Lift it up now. No, it didn't. I'm over it. I don't really care what you've done in here.
Nah, me either. You never care what I do.
You can get a screwdriver.
No, we won't look today.
We're not looking today.
We're not looking today.
Do you want a hat?
No.
It's a Garrett hat.
No. Got a West Side Smoker hat. Oi. It's bad luck to have an open umbrella indoors.
Get the water off it. Since last time Mitchell's car, we've got a lot of the plumbing work done on it. And by we, I mean me, myself. Have a look at this receiver dryer that I've made fit. Last time I told you it doesn't fit. I made it fit. It fits now. And we've got a nice little Red Bull can on there too. It looks sick. So you can have a look at that. Powered by Red Bull, keep the AC really nice and cold.
Oi, actually, quick little shout out. Being the Red Bull, let's get them on board.
Start drinking V. So.
Yeah, I'm going to move on from Red Bull.
No, we're not.
The support's not there.
You won't.
The support is just not there.
I'll tell you what, if we go to Rockstar.
Now to stick to what I know, and Red Bull is like...
Anyway.
Still waiting on that Red Bull sponsor.
Back to the... Basically, we got the... So basically. We got
two... counter?
One, yeah. 1, 2, 3. So we got 4 of the 5 components of the AC to work. So basically, we only need. Said it again. So we only need one custom line to be made up. Everything else fits, which is really good. On the cold side of the car, I've got the brake booster plumbed up. All of the vacuum lines are plumbed up. So we've got the, well, not all of them, sorry. Most of them. Most of them. We've got the blow-off valve. It's on and plumbed up. It's got the reference line going to it. On this side, we've got our twin coolers. So we've got the transmission cooler and the engine oil cooler. They're plumbed up, and all of that runs from that side of the car, runs along.
Tucked up.
Under the headlight here, underneath, and then all of them run in a bank along this chassis rail here, which George will show you later.
On a B-roll.
Footage of that. This car, because it's got a CPC manifold on it, so they don't have a water neck on the manifold like a stock manifold does. So you've got to have a expansion chamber, which is what this is here. So basically we run 3 ports from the top of the manifold. Those are breathers, so they run to the manifold. They have 3 larger ports on the bottom of the manifold which run forward to the radiator, and then they've got another, there's just lines going everywhere. Basically, a lot of lines, but plumbing work's been done. Not much left to go in the plumbing department, just the MAC valve, wastegate, and so we've got a custom radiator core coming, so we've got a 42mm core coming, we'll have custom end tanks for that. Once that gets here, we'll fabricate that up, and then we'll finish the rest of the water lines, and then, yeah, she's getting pretty close.
Yeah.
So that's Mitchell's car.
Yep, that's Mitch's car. Moving on.
Sorry, mummy.
Would you like to come help me, Dingle?
Andy's car's wrapping up now, so basically just pulling the radiator out, going to paint it black so that it matches everything else that's black in the engine bay. Wing on the back, just painted the sort of the stays for it. Scotch, so the Bosch 044 replacement pumps. So they're a new pump. They're smaller, quieter, and more efficient. They pump a higher. Yeah, I'd love one. Higher LPH, litre per hour. So we've just got them installed. I believe they're actually sort of some of the first ones that people are actually running. So we just finished getting them in this morning. They're in the back. We're just waiting on the one-way valves to turn up. So we've got them now. They're done. They're in. You didn't get me one. Thank you.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, but I asked for one.
Did you?
Yeah, I did. That's all right. I hate you.
No, it's all right. I'm busy. I'll get you one.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you won't.
But I will.
Other than that, I think that's pretty much it. So Blake's car, Luke's just finishing up some final little wiring on that. So Blake's car is gone to drive-by-wire throttle now. So we've done away with the cable and the idle motor and all that sort of stuff, and now it's all controlled by that Bosch drive-by-wire throttle body. So that's going to be sick. It's going to make this car basically a whole new car to drive. Not so much all the time, just when it's cold, just first thing in the morning. It's going to make it so much nicer to drive.
That's pretty cold.
Is it? Cool.
You want one?
Nice. Yeah, I'd love it. Yeah, so that's pretty much finished up as well. 32, it's in for a little bit of work. So initially it just come in for Astra power steering conversion. So just going up for you, George.
Cool.
George.
See ya.
Armadillos keep digging. Little holes in my backyard.
Yeah, look, over here we've gone and installed a Astra power steering pump, so we've had to modify and make a bracket to suit, mount it to the car. We put them all in the same spot. We think it's the best spot to mount them. I've making a new intercooler pipe to reroute it around the pipe, because initially it used to go through the side, now it's covered up, so now we've got to go through this big hole here, George. That one. Mickey G made new gearbox cost member. If you'd like to come and look at this pretty little thing down here, George.
The steering was sort of the only sort of thing that it came in for.
It was having heating issues, power steering heating issues.
Was it?
Yeah, apparently that's why we pulled that big dirty trans cooler off.
Trans cooler, yeah. Anyway.
Moving on.
Power steering conversion. So all of the ones we do, we tuck up under the guard. So A, they're out of the way, and B, it keeps the lines to the rack nice and short. People say that they run into issues having
long lines if they have. Some people mount them in the boot and they have issues.
Dead zone, like a dead zone in the steering. We've never had that problem.
Ever. Just don't wire them up backwards, whatever you do. Do not wire them up backwards.
The cross member that was in the car was a little bit iffy. Sitting the gearbox off to one side in the tunnel, which was creating...
It was sitting skew-if.
Thank you. So that was creating issues with the angles of the tail shaft. So this had real bad like chatter and not so much vibrations, but I guess it's a vibration. It's a chatter. Yeah, it's a shudder. It vibrates instead of shudders. Shudder is different to a
when you're moving, the whole thing just rattles.
Vibration is like
rattles.
Shudder is like a yeah, like that. Anyway, So basically, like, correct that gearbox, get it back in the center of the tunnel, and correct the driveline angles. So the tail shaft is now nice and straight. Just got to make up the lines for the Astra pump, and then wire it in, and this car will be all done and out the door.
That there, this here, George, right? Just a bit of sticky tape that just needs to go in the bin.
GHEEUP's in. Daniel's been working on making a exhaust that actually goes out the back of the car.
Yeah, look. Yeah.
So we've had a bit of a straight pipe situation for a couple months, I guess.
You've all probably seen on the internet how it catches fire.
Yeah, whopping. So the exhaust pretty much finished halfway along the car. 2 reasons that we've decided now to fix that issue is, one, we believe it was contributing to the turn 6 bushfires that we were experiencing, and 2, it melted Youngie's neons, and we just couldn't.
He's not happy about it.
He was unhappy with his lack of neons.
He couldn't get around with his flex, you know.
Yeah, so rather than move his neons, he's decided to do a full exhaust, which he wants to go. Where's he going? Sydney.
Sydney. Yeah.
Wants to go drifting at Sydney next year. So track requirements for that are a full exhaust, I believe.
Yeah.
So it was going to have to happen one way or another. So now is as good a time as ever. So that just needs the 4-inch straight through muffler put on the back and then taken out the bumper, and then that's all done. So Daniel's been doing some stainless work.
Looks alright, eh?
Bit of colour.
Yeah, fucking
Bit of colour in the wheels.
Gets me hard.
Chameleons.
Chameleon.
Bit of Commodore.
Well, I had to fix his bash plate.
Fix that. Yeah.
Because
Fix the drop tank. The old Winters sits pretty low, and Youngie doesn't like his car to be a monster truck, so it's
high car gross, bro.
Yeah. So the old bash plate on the diff's getting to work out, but it's fresh now.
No, it's brand new. Brand new. Brand new. Moving on. Quick little sneak peek, George. Quick little sneak peek of the intercool piping I've been working on for the R32. Looks good. What are we doing? Hey, Michael.
Hey, Michael.
Hey, Michael.
What have you been doing this week, Michael?
Michael. Boom!
His big German sausage. What?
This is my dad.
Can I have a bean?
You want a bean? Hey?
There you go.
Huh? Really? You want to hop in the boot?
Yeah, if you want. Michael and Daniel last week got the tubs in the car.
Got them in. Put them in.
Test fitted the big Simmons back up under it, and we still got plenty of space to slam it.
Moved on to the back seat, so obviously everything got cut out. Mickey's just been working on resheeting the back sheet bit, where you can see the skeleton he's made here. Looks pretty. Mickey
has finished up symmetrising the chassis rails,
yeah,
so they're all done.
They're all
perfectly symmetrical each side, and the tubs are in.
So if you've ever tubbed a VL personally, I don't think, but personally, this is my first one. And the rails, right, we had to make them very symmetrical, which meant you'd have to cut pretty much one rail completely off and redo it. Mickey's done a wonderful job. Well, we're really waiting on the diff to do much more back here. True. We're still waiting on the Hummer of a diff.
Big 9-inch.
The big Hummer of a diff.
So that's that.
That's a VL.
That's a tubbed VL.
Right there.
Tubs are done.
Done and tub. Tub and dusted.
Yeah.
Come here.
Get out of the way.
Come here.
Get out of the way.
Oh, me.
Get out of his way.
Me.
Jackhead.
How am I in the way? Sick of being told to do all, eh?
I didn't even know you were here today until George came out and was like, can you do a video with Daniel? And then here you are. Wow, sick.
What was that?
I don't know, Mum.
He's got a hole in his bum.
In the llama. Yeah, well.
In the llama bum.
Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of the Workshop Walkarounds with Weso and Wham.
Weso and Wham's wonderful walk around. Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks to Garrett for sending this cute little care package. The first day that we've had the umbrella and it's dry and it's sunny.
Yeah, look, they could have sent it like a day,
like a week
prior
ago
or something.
But anyway,
we got it now. We'll use it.
We're going to get the most out of our carbon fibre shafted umbrella. Yeah.
You know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe.
Tune into the next video. There'll be a Christmas. Bit of a Christmas
video
style theme. So we're going to do a sort of build, like a full build video, walk around, mess around, stuff arounds, drive arounds on the GHEEUP itself.
Yeah.
So if you want to see that, then cool. if you don't want to see that, we're probably gonna do it anyway. So whatever.
Watch it anyway, dude.
Right.
Anyway.
Hey, Root. We gonna roll?
You're all.
Nah, it's a bit hot. I'm not gonna do it. Yeet. Bye. See you next week.
Bye, guys.
I hurt my knee.
Because you're a muppet.
Cut.